Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to print Hello World in Blender using Python. Okay, so earlier I have been done videos, especially the installation part and creating the chart and how you can import the chart. Okay, how you can visualize the chart, how you can set each and everything, and can few of the things you can check it out as a line chart, as a candlestick chart. Okay, so I've already done. You can check in my website as well. I've been given the code, so you can follow the code, and even I've shown how you can do the installation of a third party, that is Python packages, like pip install. Okay, so that is also can be done. Okay, so now first of all I will just print the hello world, and then we will move further. So all you have to do is you have to do the installation part, and I've been already shown to you in my videos how you can do the installation and carry the Python. Okay, even I utilize this Blender for my as a whiteboard as well. Okay, so I've while doing some explanation I've done, and while creating some animation that you can check in my quantitative finance. Okay, predicting stock prices, machine learning, all those stuffs. Okay, so I've been already done utilizing this stuff. Okay, so why I'm doing this, why I'm utilizing Blender. Okay, I'm gonna explain. So first of all, we'll print the hello world. So get this hello world first of all doing in a Python. So what you need to do is you need to use a Blender. Okay, and after launching the Blender you need to choose general. Okay, so it will give you the options general, 2D animation, VFX editing, all of the stuff. So you just give it. So all you have to do, you just have to choose general, and you have to get in scripting. Okay, so it will be available in a general and a scripting tab. Okay, so just go for it. If you are going with the new Python stuff, so all you have to do is click new, otherwise you just go with the open. So we just go with the new, and we will import the ppy means Blender Python. Okay, and since we are going with the text, okay, and in that one we are telling that Blender Python, okay, dot data, whichever is there, curves, setting the curves as new. And in new, what we are saying, we are giving the syntax that we are going to give a hello world. Okay, so this is the thing which you have to give, and especially this is font. Okay, this font should be there. So it is not a straight, just if I just print hello world. Okay, so suppose I just print hello world and show it to you. So what happens here, say just give it the print hello world, and if there is no error, you run the script. So after running the script, what you can do, if you want to check that message, just say window and toggle system console. So what happens, it will print the hello world. Okay, so I'm not looking in this console. Okay, especially I'm looking into this area, okay, into this console. And this is especially this console, what I mean, I got this as a, you can toggle this, and especially it act as an information type showing if any error is there or any mistakes are there. So you need to follow. So we are not doing this stuff, especially I want this hello world to be print here. Okay, so I can animate, visualize, and all of the stuff I can do. Now what happens after this text, say I get a text dot body. Okay, and in that text dot body, what I have to give is what exactly I am printing. So this is my hello world should be there, hello comma world and exclamatory mark, and with that it should end. So this is my body especially. Okay, after comma I can give the space and whichever you want. Okay, so this is the text I'm going, and I need to be, has to be run in this way. Okay, so text dot body is done. Now what I have to do, I have to call this text, and have to give it in hello world. Okay, so what I am talking is an bg, which is an object which I need to link later. So what I have to say, bpy dot data dot objects objects of new. In that case, I have to give it as an hello world. I mean the font I have to give it here. So hello world, and I have to call the text. So here the text, it is there. Now I have to simply link it, and it will give the text in this area. Okay, this viewport area. So what happens, I just have to say direct in this. So I will say bpy dot context. Okay, context dot scene. Okay, dot collection. Okay, collection dot objects. So all of the things I need to mention. Okay, because this is the area which requires each and everything as a viewport. Okay, so I need to say this stuff that I'm clear this stuff. Just give it. Okay, in this hello world. Okay, so it is done, and I have to link it in the object. Okay, so whatever the object is there, just need to link. Okay, so if I have not done any mistake, if I run, it will give the hello world to me. Okay, so as you can see, I got the hello world. So this is the hello world I got here. Okay, so now what happens, just scripting, you can check and see this info area is also there, which you can get it anywhere you want. Okay, especially I want to get with the modeling. Okay, so if I check here, the world is available. Okay, and if I want to get this in a 2D animation, which I believe is the best, so you can get this in a 2D animation in this way. Okay, and if you just try to visualize, just try to take control from here by right side by giving X and Y, Z wherever you want. Okay, just set it the way it will look for you. Okay, so this is the way you can give it, and you can give in full canvas as well. Okay, and here also you can set it. So suppose if you want to give it in a camera, and so suppose if you are rendering, then usually you have to give in a rotation mode. Okay, so this is the way you should give it. Okay, and especially the object mode helps in each and everything, whichever way that you're looking for. Okay, so hello world is there, and if you want to extend this part, copy this object for further this stuff, it will help. Okay, so this is how create some stuff. Now why I'm doing this, okay, so especially this consideration is must. Say especially if I want to go with my application, if I want to prepare an application. So as you know, this ChatGPT is there, this AI model is there. If you just give it and the text image, that whatever you have been planned, okay, you can get it from this text world only. Okay, just plan each and everything. Okay, just give it the way you're looking for, some of box or some any other stuff. Okay, so if you're looking for, you can give it, and that you can take it out the way you are looking for. Okay, so that is also can be say suppose if I got this way only, I can prepare a layout from the hello world itself. Okay, so if I want to shrink or rotate, okay, whichever the way I want, I can give it. Okay, so your imagination will be limited. Okay, so whatever you want, you can just prepare the layout in animation itself. Okay, the text animation itself, and you can animate further to visualize anything. You just put words and manipulate the price, print the price the way you're looking for. Okay, so especially it will help. So what we call this, we call them as a generative art, and this generative art helps in generative AI. Okay, preparing application which you are looking for. especially like I've been done a video related to this GraphViz, so especially it prepares the flowchart, so that is also you can bring and can edit. You can just add the text animation and give it in the prompt, okay, chat GPT prompt, and just tell them. Otherwise you just give it in a Meta or Gemini, okay, so whatever, whichever the chatbot you prefer, just go with, give it, and look it for the way you're looking for. So that's the reason I'll tell you, if you want to prepare in trading application or analysis part, okay, this will be the best. Okay, so I must say that imagination is the limit. Okay, so whichever you want, you just try from your side. Okay, so you just you can render the way you're looking for. Okay, and especially this need to be rendered in a good way, so then only you can commit the way it is there. Okay, so just try this stuff, I believe. Okay, and it works the best, so whichever you want. And one more part which I am talking about, the animations. Suppose if you want to render this stuff, okay, it will definitely gonna will be in this way. So if you are giving in a camera angle as well, so we need to be like should be in this way. I mean, you need to edit proper in a camera view, otherwise it will be like if whatever you do won't work out. Okay, so you need to understand this part. Okay, and if you're so suppose if you want to give this view as a view port render image, then what happens, it will give exactly whatever it is there. Okay, but best way is there that if you want to render, give it in a camera and edit in that way. Okay, so do try, and I will come up with the videos. Okay, especially the application part, animation part, visualization, for a number of stuff. Okay, so I must say that you should learn Blender, and especially from Blender to Python. Okay, so you can do it manual stuff also. It is not like that you should code. Okay, so you need to understand the layout, each and everything, and whatever you get the information from that you can do. Now what happens is this hello world, whichever I am doing, it has a back view, means it has background in the running, what are the things have been done, what it is, what the things it is going on, and how it is there. Okay, what I've selected, what have been deleted. So same things what happens if you just copy and paste and do it, now it will work. Okay, it works the best. So you just give it like what happens if you get in modeling, sculpting, okay, UV editing. So the way whichever you prefer, you can get the way you're looking for. So that that annotation part, whatever I printed, it is visible here. So a number of things are there. It works for another part, works in another way. Okay, so just look it out, whichever you prefer the best, go for it. Okay, and see what can be done. Okay, try to visualize, create a flowchart, bring it here. Okay, can do it. And one more thing, which say suppose what I'm doing, this generative art which I talked about. Okay, so earlier some of the things which I was doing. Okay, so suppose I've been created some V plotter. Okay, this is one of the project. What I've been done, I've been given the stepper motor, just given a thread, a 3D printer, gondola, marker. Okay, so all of the stuff I've given, and just written the code, and it is start plotting. Now the part it is in a polograph. Okay, but what I'm doing, I'm just using an application where X and Y it is there. Okay, so from as an X and Y, whichever a straight consideration, I'm just giving in a polograph, and polograph requires what? Tweak of physics and some understanding of mathematics and all of the coding stuff. If you do it, you can create a polograph, a best polograph. Okay, so I will bring out this project as well. Okay, so at least 3 years happened to this stuff. Okay, I'm working out, but in consideration of this, this all of the things need to be learned. Okay, so once you analyze, when you do this stuff, you can bring it. So if your core basics are best, okay, the AI tools will work best for you. Okay, so especially if you're getting with the Blender, okay, you want to prepare a PPT or presentation, and the way you're looking for. If you just know certain stuff, then only you can increase that one, or whatever the codes you got. Okay, some error is there. If you want to rectify, then you should learn the Python. Okay, so all of the stuffs are there. So if you just go with the playlist, I believe I have a Blender this list as well. Okay, in that I believe the quantity finance which I talked about, all of the stuff related to y and x, it is already there. Okay, and I will give a playlist for this stuff as well. Okay, and you can try this stuff. Okay, and analyze the way it is. See a stock market visualizer, plotter blender in Python. Okay, so you can just check it out. Okay, so I've done some videos from the installation, importing, and candlesticks. Okay, so basic of the things I've already done, so you can check it out. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.